All right, wherever you are, welcome to our channel. Today we are doing Social Studies Grade 5 revision work that is suitable for you, a Grade 6 member and a Grade 5. This is a paper that was done by the learners. It is a NEC revision exam. Please note, this clip is a quick revision of the main areas that are highly tested in Grade 5 Social Studies when it comes to NEC assessments. The clip is created to aid the learners improve their mastery of content. Question 1. State the 5 elements of a good map. State the 5 elements of a good map. Here I have the map of Kenya. So we want to find the elements of a good map. So number 1, we sing, the elements of a map are 5. The elements of a map are 5. Key, scale, compass, frame, and title. Elements of a map are 5. So key elements of a map are 5. We have key, we have scale, we have compass, we have frame, and title. We usually say that the elements of a map are 5. That is title. Title indicates the name of the map. Frame shows the border, is the borderline that encloses the map. And you have the key. Key is also called legend. It is used to show the meanings of the symbols used in the map. And then scale, comparing the real distance and the drawing distance. Then lastly, we have the compass, which shows the direction. The arrowhead of a compass always points to the north. Remember color? Color is not an element of a map. Question number 2. Which of the following, which economic activity is carried out in Maro sub-county? Look at this map. We have to study the map first. Then you study the map. We have Ndori sub-county. We have Maro sub-county. We have the highest point in the map. We have this point is 1,000 meters, where we have the hill, and then we have the climate of the land, then we have school, we have, okay, Langa. So these are 3 sub-counties. Now, question. Which economic activity is carried out in Maro sub-county? So we have to go to Maro sub-county. Let us go to Maro. I use this road, then I get into Maro. When you look at Maro, we have what we call cattle dip. Cattle dip shows that animals are kept there. So for example, this is livestock keeping or cattle rearing. That is correct. So when you just write livestock keeping or cattle rearing or animal agriculture, you are correct. So that is the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3. You have been asked to draw the map of Kenya and her neighbors. Which country would you draw bordering Kenya to the west? So we have to have the map of Kenya. This is the map of Kenya. Then you have to know the compass directions. We shall say never eat salted weeds. So to the north, we have Ethiopia. To the east, we have Somalia. To the south, we have Tanzania. And to the west, we have Uganda. So the correct answer here is Uganda. Thank you. Thank you. To the west is Uganda. Then we go to question number 4. Number 4 says, the tree below shows some relief features found in Kenya. Fill in the empty spaces with the missing features. Remember relief features, we have types of features, physical features. We have the relief and the drainage. Relief talks about rising, relief talks about rising and falling of land. So in this case, we can have the plains, we can have the low-lying flat area, that is plain. A high-raised flat land, it is the plateau, and then we have an hill. A hill is smaller than a mountain. That's the difference. Then we have between the hill and the mountain, we have a valley, and then we have a mountain. So in short, physical features are divided into two categories. We have the drainage and the relief. Relief talks about rising and falling of land, the topography of the land. And drainage are those features which are related to water. For example, river, we have swamps, we have oceans, we have seas, we have all those. So the correct answer could be one of all these five, one of them. So let me write mountains and plateaus. Correct. When I move to number 5, number 5 says, use the table below to match language groups found in Kenya with their communities, Language group here, we have Nilotes. Nilotes, we are able to match them. We have Bantus, we have Kushites and Asians. We usually say the Nilotes came from Barel Gazelle, the River Lake Nilotes. We have plain Nilotes, we have and the Highland Nilotes, who are farmers. When you come to the Bantus, they came from Congo Forest. That was their original homeland. We have Western Bantus, which include Abaluya, Abakuria, Abasuba, Abagusi. All those are Bantus. So they are Western Bantus. They live in Western Kenya. Then we have the Kushites. We have Dahalo. Also Bantus, again, we have the Ayembu, Akamba. We have the Mijikenda people. That is Kauma, Chonyi, Jibana, Giriama, Kambe, Ribe, Rabai, Duruma, Digo. Those are Mijikenda Bantus or coastal Bantus. And Pokomo also are Bantus. We have Kushites. Kushites in Kenya. Kushites in Kenya. Kushites in Kenya. Bora Rendile Gabra Oromo Boni Somali Orma Dahalo Sanye. So Dahalo is one of them. And Asians, we have the Indians, the Jews, all these people, Japanese and Chinese, all of them. Now, so to match, I'll say Nilote is Nandi. Yeah, Nandi is Nilote. Then we have Bantus, I match with Abaluya. Then Kushites, I will match with, Kushites, I will match with definitely Dahalo. And Asians, the Indians. Correct. That is 2 marks. It's not a big deal. We go to number 6. Number 6 says, during a class discussion, one group was given the administrative structure of the school as shown below. Fill in the missing administrators. This is simple. It's 2 marks. From the head teacher, we have the deputy. So you underline the word administrative structure. So from the head teacher, we have the deputy head teacher. Then after that, we have the senior teacher. Then obviously after the senior teacher, we go to the class teacher. Then all the teacher, any of them. And that is right. Number 7. On their way to school, Mary saw the road sign below. The sign shows, look at this road sign. It's just 1 mark. We have different road signs. This is a warning sign. It shows that maybe there is something that has happened, maybe an accident or something else, or maybe the road is broken. And so you should be careful. So the correct answer here should be danger ahead. Danger ahead. Number 8. The picture below shows an economic activity practiced in Kenya. The picture below shows an economic activity that is practiced in Kenya. Write 2 main challenges. 2 challenges faced by farmers while practicing this activity? While practicing this activity, number one can be lack of pasture. Remember, this is dairy and they require enough fodder or pasture, and it's done in highland. So that might be a challenge. The other one is requires high capital to start. You need to buy the animal, you need to locate the place, the pasture, that you feel all the conditions that are necessary for the rearing of these animals. Question number 9. What is population distribution? This is done in grade 5. Population distribution refers to the widespread of people in an area, how people are spread. Remember, we have the different settlement patterns, like the linear, the clustered, or the nuclear, and then the other one, which is densely or sparse. Number 10. The main cause of road accidents today is, the main cause of road accidents in Kenya is carelessness of road users. Remember, carelessness of road users includes drivers. Road users are drivers, pedestrians. We also have motorists. All those have to observe the rules. When they observe them, the traffic rules, then there will be no, or the cases of accidents will be minimized. Question number 11. State two ways of becoming a Kenyan citizen. One can become a Kenyan citizen by, yeah, correct. The correct answer here is by birth or by registration. Remember, birth certificate is not an indication that there is not a way of acquiring acquiring Kenyan citizenship. So you become a Kenyan citizen if you are born in Kenya by parents who are Kenyans, or one of the parents, or a child who is 8 years or below. That child, when found in Kenya, that child is assumed as a Kenyan citizen. So the other one is registration, where you have, first of all, to spend a minimum of 7 years in the country, so that now you can qualify to apply, among other factors. Last but not the least, number 12. State the meaning of population density. Population density. What is the meaning of population density? Population density. So the correct answer here should be population density. Population density refers to the number of people living in an area per square kilometer. The number of people per square kilometer. We shall continue revising over the holidays, and again, more clips are coming. If you have joined for the first time, kindly subscribe. You can also give me a like or a comment, and then can share the clip to your peers if you're interested. Thank you very much.